Okay, so let's move into the natural log. And so the natural log is just the inverse of the magic number e that we talked about before. So if we have e to the x, to do the inverse, we'll have the log e of x, and what we call that is the natural log of x. On this, x has to be greater than 0, and so we look at our graph, and it'll show the two different functions, e to the x and natural log of x. And so just a review here on how to punch it into your calculator, you are going to use the ln button. All right, notice that on this one we get an error because you plugged in -1, and you can't have negatives. Natural logs, and actually all logs, need to be greater than 0. Got to be positive. All right, so let's take a look at the properties. The properties are exactly the same as before, but shifted over so we're dealing with e now. So the natural log of 1 is still 0. Natural log of e, so ln and e are what are canceling each other out, leaving us with 1, or in this case, x. All right, and the 1-to-1 still holds, so in this case, x equals y. All right, so a couple examples here. Natural log of 1 over e. That's another way of saying e to the -1. Cancel them out. We'll get -1. E to the natural log of 5 cancels. We end up with 5. Natural log of 1 over 3. The natural log of 1 is 0. So 0 over 3 is 0. And last one here, 2, natural log of e. What happens to natural log and e? They cancel. We're left with just 1. And so we do get 2. All right, let's try one. Let's try this one, 71. Without using a calculator, tell me what the natural log of e to the 5th is. And this should take you less than 3 seconds. If you said 5, you are correct. Natural log and e cancel each other out.